animation distance. They are tested once the animation is created to make sure there's no collision risk and drones can reach the required speed. If necessary, changes can be made right now. Once the animation is created, you can use drone imaging drones. We use so-called soft logistics, defining where and when the show will be set. The field must be large enough to accommodate all the drones ready for takeoff. Once you arrive at the location, the excitement starts to build. Keep cool. Important preparations start now. This includes setting up the real-time kinematic GPS base station, Wi-Fi router for connecting to drones, and the main control laptop. When everything is ready, put the drones in their respective positions. The distance between drones on the ground is usually between 2.5 to 3 meters. This means if you're planning to use 49 drones, you need a 324 square meter field to position them. Remember that you also need to have a safety fence around the field. The surface must be flat enough without tall grass or deep snow. If no such area is available, you can use a platform for takeoff, but in this case, you must be extremely careful when landing the drones. After the drones are properly positioned, drone show software automatically assigns the flight paths from the animation to each drone. Next, the path for each is uploaded to the drones. Now it's time to do a pre-flight check to make sure all parameters are within the acceptable limits. The final step is to set the show time and let the drones know when to take off. Drone show software allows you to pre-program an exact starting time for all drones, so you don't need to worry about being late with the show. Ready, steady, arm the motors, and go. Bad news, if you're the drone operator, you have to watch your screen instead of the beautiful action in the sky. Drone show software displays all drone parameters in real time and all drone flight on a 3D map. Drone's important part, safety. If something unexpected happens, for example a strong wind gust, there are 4 safety layers to protect spectators. First is a geofence, which automatically prevents drones from going beyond a certain perimeter. Second is the control interface, enabling the operator to land each drone at any time. Third is a completely independent red button app, which uses a separate computer and radio channel to stop the show and land all drones. And finally, the 4th layer is a backup human pilot with a remote controller, who can even take control over an individual drone and land it. The drones will land automatically after the show, so just relax and enjoy the show. Many great